How to reset the control center back to factory default on the iPhone 16 series or iOS 18. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Control Center. After that, tap on the Reset Control Center item. Then from the pop-up, tap on Reset Control Center, and that's it. Your phone has now reset the control center layout back to factory default. Now, if you swipe down at the top to open up the control center, you will notice all the items, widgets will be back to the default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.